Hey yo, what's good? It's your boy the Smack Sneakerhead back with another video. Today we got these Jordan 11 Jubilees that just recently came out on December 12th, if I'm not mistaken. Today is the 18th. So if you wanted to get them for retail, you're probably out of luck. I know this is a little late, but the resale prices aren't actually that bad. They're going for about $275 to right around $300. I haven't actually seen too many going for more than like $295. So if you want them, you should be able to get them. Getting right into the sneakers themselves, we got this somewhat like some milky like outsole with some white pods and your normal carbon fiber. On the heel of the shoe, you have the silver Jumpman, and it's actually metal. Look at it in pictures, I thought it was like a piece of plastic or a little piece of rubber that was just stuck on there, but I'm pretty sure it's some sort of hard plastic or piece of metal or something, but it's not going to fall off the shoe. On the tongue, you got the leather strip with the silver detailing, and on the eyelets it actually spells out Jordan and 3M. So if you're in the market for some black Jordan 11s, these are definitely the ones to go with considering the price point. But it's your money. It's been your boy the Smack Sneakerhead. We got an on foot coming, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.